So anyway, I'm out here doing homeowner stuff. And I got my wiring harness from Cruz Performance. If you follow me on Instagram, you kind of saw that I finally started working on this thing again. It is still a long way, but this is going to save me some time. And yeah, I have to say I'm kind of impressed to see that they've combined the relays into, it looks like there's 3 or 4 powered items in here. And it's a very clean, it looks like spaghetti right now, but it's very clean terminated harness. So yeah, I'm going to be slapping it on there and get that Dominator going. So since I have this thing completely blown apart, I actually have access to this fairly easy. But here, you can see when I removed this thing months ago, which kind of goes there. If I focus on the thing. If I recall correctly, it goes like that, and it pretty much protects the harness. But yeah, so without the fender in place, this is actually fairly accessible and should make it fairly easy. Just gotta get these 3 through the hole. It would really help if I had the car empty, but I don't. So I got it in place, and I have to say the fit of this grommet's really nice. It's very supple too, so it kind of conforms to how misshapen the firewall is. Not sure if I will need to put that thing back on, but I'm probably going to, because I don't want the liner to be rubbing or flexing this once I run it through the little clips and things. So yeah, so far the first impressions are pretty good. And while I'm talking about the harness, I can show you on the interior. You're gonna have to pardon the mess. It's kind of all the crud that you find under the seat. But I showed on a previous, again on my Instagram, I showed how I have the harness there. You can barely see that. But yeah, you can see part of the harness there, and it's coming out through here. The cool thing is that I have the dyno liner, so the carpet's flush, or the carpet sits flush over the harness until it gets under the seat, at which point there's this slit, and then I got the harness hanging out here. The plan is to have the Holley, come here buddy, sitting something along like that. Obviously move the harness out of the way. That way it can be plugged there. At this point, I'm not sure if I'm going to do a standoff there. That way it's kind of sitting like this. The only problem there is that the lever for the moving the seat back and forth might hit here. Otherwise, I'm not really sure. This is one of those things that it's kind of half finished. So I don't know what the result's going to look like. And again, I'm just kind of winging it. So once I figure that out, that'll all get placed. And well, then I'm waiting on those engine parts.